Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we embark on a historical journey to explore the remarkable history and growth of the Britannia Company. Established as a small bakery in India during the colonial era, Britannia has evolved into an iconic brand with global recognition. Join us as we unravel the tale of how this humble enterprise navigated through challenges, embraced innovation, and achieved unprecedented success. The story of Britannia dates back to 1892 when a British company, Peake, Freen & Company, established a factory in Calcutta, now Kolkata, India. The company's iconic Britannia logo, inspired by a British female figure denoting strength and resilience, became synonymous with quality and trust. Originally named Biscuit Company, India, Limited, the company's primary objective was to cater to the British expatriate community residing in India. However, as India's struggle for independence intensified, the company faced the challenge of maintaining its foothold in the country. With India's independence in 1947, Britannia faced a crucial juncture. The political climate demanded a significant shift in their approach to appeal to the newly sovereign nation. The management took a bold step by rebranding the company as Britannia Industries Limited to emphasize its Indian identity while still paying homage to its British heritage. This decision proved pivotal, as it strengthened the brand's bond with the people of India, paving the way for enduring success. In the early decades, Britannia's product range mainly comprised biscuits that catered to local tastes and preferences. As the years passed, the company's commitment to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction catapulted it to the forefront of the Indian food industry. Throughout the years, Britannia expanded its product portfolio beyond biscuits, venturing into dairy products, cakes, rusk, and bread. The introduction of Tiger biscuits in 1997 became a game-changer, rapidly becoming a favorite among consumers and solidifying Britannia's position in the market. In the late 20th century, Britannia embarked on a journey to conquer international markets. The company's presence spread across South Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and even parts of Europe. By leveraging its reputation for quality and taste, Britannia successfully captured the hearts of consumers worldwide. Beyond its commercial success, Britannia has also made significant contributions to society. The company has actively engaged in numerous CSR, corporate social responsibility, initiatives, focusing on education, nutrition, and rural development. Britannia's efforts to support underprivileged communities have earned it respect and admiration from various quarters. Throughout its history, Britannia has emphasized innovation as a key driver of growth. The company continuously strives to introduce new flavors, formats, and healthier product options to keep up with changing consumer preferences. By embracing emerging technologies and trends, Britannia remains relevant in a highly competitive market. The journey of Britannia Company is a testament to the power of resilience, innovation, and adaptability. From its humble beginnings in colonial India to becoming a global brand, Britannia's evolution exemplifies the essence of entrepreneurship. With a blend of tradition and modernity, the company has successfully navigated through the tides of time, capturing the hearts and taste buds of millions worldwide. As we celebrate Britannia's inspiring story, let us remember that every giant corporation started as a small venture, and with determination and vision, any dream can turn into reality. Thank you for joining us on this incredible voyage through the history and growth of Britannia Company. We hope you found this exploration as fascinating and inspiring as we did. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing stories of iconic businesses that have shaped the world.